Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. This video we're going to talk about some sports betting with ChatGPT. So basically ChatGPT doesn't have access to the most up-to-date statistics. And also it's not going to run huge operations for you, but we have a workaround for that. So if you want to do sports betting, what you need to do is you have to run Python. And there's tons of Python libraries that do all these sorts of things like football data, Python library that provides API for retrieving and analyzing soccer. There's Pumpkin, sklearn, which I'm quite familiar with. You see a bunch of videos. So I was just going through here. I thought I'd make a video on this. So I say, hey, tell me about Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a Python library for sports analysis and prediction, specifically football. Okay, that's cool. And I had to write me this code. Eventually I hit a dead end, right? With Pumpkin because I never used it before. But what I want to do, so I said to it, write me a Python script that uses Pumpkin library to predict the outcome of a game, and it gave me this. And this looks good. This makes sense more or less. But I want to do this with scikit. So I'm going to say now write me the same script, but instead of using Pumpkin, use sklearn. Always seems to crash. If you walk away for a second, it seems to crash sometimes. So I'm going to say right here, now write me the same script. I spelled right wrong. So, okay, to predict the outcome of a football game with a degree of confidence. So here we have pandas, sklearn. We have a logistic regression, sklearn metrics, accuracy, precision, recall. We have our football data, and we've already created this football data.csv, and the columns are home team, away team, home score, away score, home win. Arsenal, Everton, and then 2, 1, 1. The 0.5, that's a draw, not a win. If it's a 0, it's a loss. If it's a 1, it's a win. And then there's the other two, the home score, away score. So this is creating our code here, and we're going to plug this into Python, and it takes the data frame, it separates the target, which is home win, and it drops it out of the whatchamacallit, the X items, I guess you could call it, the features and the target. So the target Y is home win, and the features are everything else, basically, which is you can see here. These are the features: home, away, home team, away team, home score, away score. Those are the features. And we're gonna load this into scikit.learn, and just copy and paste. It's gonna load in this football data.csv. And then it's going to crash. Could not convert string to float, Chelsea. So take that error, I just copied it right there. Say this gave me the error. The error is occurring because the model is trying to fit a numerical model on a numerical data, in this case home team, away team columns contain strings which cannot be used. Oh, well, that's good to know. If only it knew that before. So it's going to give you tons of these little errors. This is why using ChatGPT to code, it's got a long way to go. It's kind of got a lot of overhead. You have to figure a lot of stuff out. So hey, and while this is rewriting the code for us, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. We're going to do a lot of fun with programming and statistics on this channel, and I would really appreciate it. So here we go, we're splitting into training and test sets. We've separated out our features and our target. We've read our CSV of our X and our Y data. We are now, this is important part, this is the pre-processing part, which is going to turn these strings into values. Evaluates the model performance, print the results. All right, let's see how this goes. All right. And then it's going to say the script uses column transformer class to apply the one hot encoder. Yes. Okay, that makes sense. We got another error here, line 32. That doesn't make sense. What does it say? Continuous. Just put the error right back in there. Is being raised because y contains continuous values, but a logistical minimum is being used for a binary classification. Binary. To resolve this issue, convert the target variable y into a binary value representing the outcome of a match, for example. I thought that was already done. Might have to pay for ChatGPT soon enough because these long code times are kind of a pain in the ass. Truth be told. Here we go. All right, almost done here. Whoops. Jump the gun. Copy the code off. And let's give it another go. Interesting. So that doesn't really make sense. Let me go back here. I think I can just debug this on my own without using. Let's go back here. Could not convert string to float. Liverpool. Football data. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to say instead of using any strings in blank, make sure everything is numerical data. Maybe that'll help. To use numerical data in the football series, you can encode the categorical data using a technique such as one-hot coding. Okay, one-hot coding. Here's an updated version of the script using one-hot coding to handle categorical data. It's not really what I wanted. I wanted to update the CSV file. I'm just going to let this print out. This is this is real time, man. I'm not kind of sugarcoating it. This is a long form video on how to do this sort of stuff. Let's try the code since it's already printed it out. Let's stop generating. I'm going to say update the CSV file while we do that. Maybe, nope, it doesn't. So it doesn't do the one-hot coding. See, there it is. here's an example. This is what I wanted. I don't want to. There seems to be some issue with one-hot coding, and I don't want to really get into it. Let's make it work. Let's see, yeah, these are just warnings. Don't have to worry about those. Accuracy, precision, and recall. So, there you go. If you encode it as as numbers, so instead of home team being a name, there's 3 different teams, away team being a name, 1, 2, 3. Home score, away score. There you go. In this example, the home team and away team columns have been encoded using label encoding, where the unique values in the columns have been assigned the integers 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. We'll go back here. Arsenal's 1, Chelsea's another. Well, that doesn't really make sense. Anyway, we got a few more bugs to work out. I feel like this really wasn't a success at all. I might have to label this video a little bit differently, because we're sort of exploring the limits of ChatGPT, sports betting, and and Python. So I'm gonna make another video. I probably should do a little bit of research ahead of time. I did this one just on the fly. So thanks for watching, guys, and hit the like button I'm going to keep working at this, and subscribe if you want to see where we go. Thank you very much. Bye.